Traffic jams are a common frustration for many commuters. They waste time, increase stress, and contribute to pollution. But why do they happen? And what can we do to solve them? It's frustrating, it's inconvenient, and it feels like a colossal waste of time. But traffic jams are more than just an annoyance. They represent a complex interplay of human behavior, physics, and engineering challenges. Imagine this: you're late for work, stuck in a sea of cars. The highway is a parking lot. You inch forward only to slam on your brakes again. This is the reality for millions of people every day. But what causes these frustrating traffic snarls? Surprisingly, sometimes it's not an accident or construction causing the delay, it's us, the drivers. We create phantom traffic jams, ripple effects caused by minor speed changes and braking. These phantom jams are like waves in a crowded pool, spreading and growing with each overreaction. Traffic jams are a universal language of frustration, understood from Los Angeles to London to Tokyo. They're a symptom of our reliance on cars and a sign of our struggling infrastructure. But traffic jams are not an unsolvable cosmic mystery. By understanding the science behind the snarl, we can engineer our way to a smoother, less congested future. The physics of traffic: more cars, more problems. Traffic flow is more than just cars on a road. It's a dynamic system constantly in flux. Think of it like a river. When the river is wide and flowing smoothly, traffic moves freely, but narrow the river, add some rocks, and the flow becomes turbulent. That's what happens on our roads. Too many cars in a limited space create friction. Add in human behavior, sudden braking, lane changes, rubbernecking, and you have a recipe for congestion. One driver tapping their brakes can trigger a chain reaction that impacts traffic miles behind them. These phantom jams appear out of thin air, caused by our collective driving habits rather than any physical obstruction. Understanding this delicate balance is key to solving the traffic puzzle. It's not just about building more roads. Urban planning and public transportation are key factors in managing this issue. Just like a river needs to be managed to prevent floods, our roads need intelligent systems to keep traffic moving. Traffic's toll, a costly mess. Traffic jams are more than just an inconvenience. They take a toll on our environment, our health, and our wallets. Idling cars in traffic pump harmful pollutants into the air we breathe. These emissions contribute to climate change and respiratory problems. Our planet pays the price for our gridlocked commutes. The stress of being stuck in traffic takes a toll on our mental and physical well-being. Road rage incidents are a grim reminder of the tension that builds behind the wheel. Our health suffers as we sit stressed and fuming in our cars. Traffic jams also drain our economy. Lost productivity due to time wasted in traffic costs billions of dollars annually. The economic impact is staggering, affecting businesses and individuals alike. The cost of fuel, lost productivity, and vehicle wear and tear add up quickly, stifling growth and innovation. Outsmarting gridlock solutions for a smoother ride. The good news is that traffic jams are not an unsolvable problem. By combining innovative technologies and smarter urban planning, we can ease congestion and create a more efficient transportation system. Smart traffic management systems use sensors and data analysis to monitor traffic flow in real time. Think of it as air traffic control for our roads. These systems can adjust speed limits, open up additional lanes, and provide drivers with up-to-date information to avoid congestion. Improving public transportation is a key strategy. Investing in efficient and affordable public transportation is crucial to create a viable alternative to driving. Better urban planning can also play a role. Designing walkable cities and creating dedicated bike lanes can make it easier and safer for people to choose alternative modes of transportation for their daily commutes. Technology takes the wheel. Advances in technology offer promising solutions to the problem of traffic jams. Autonomous vehicles, for example, have the potential to revolutionize the way we travel. By communicating with each other and optimizing their speed and routes, self-driving cars could drastically reduce congestion and improve traffic flow. Imagine a world where cars seamlessly navigate our roads, eliminating human error and maximizing efficiency. This future is closer than we think, and it promises a smoother, safer, and more sustainable way to get around. But technology alone is not enough. We need a fundamental shift in our thinking about transportation. We need to move away from our reliance on individual cars and embrace a more sustainable, interconnected future. What do you think? Share your thoughts and suggest new interesting concepts for our upcoming videos in the comments below.